This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Patricia Housley. This is a fantasic homes by West Bay, Sandpiper floor plan built in 2016. It is located in Waterset, which is one of the most popular communities in Hillsborough County and the South Shore area. This well-maintained home features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths and a grand open floor plan, split bedrooms, and ceramic tile in the great room and the dining area. The kitchen features a gas range, pendant lights, granite countertops as well as stainless steel kitchen appliances. Washer, dryer, blinds and grounds maintenance are included. Waterset features the landing club and cafe, walking trails, conservation areas, parks, playgrounds, dog park, splash park and 2 community pools, fitness center, a daycare and Waterset Charter School. This won't last. For more information, review the details below or contact Patricia Housley at 813-841-1661.